Hey everyone, I'm Jack Lawson, founder of digitalrealestateacademy.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a home buyer Facebook ad that will send your leads into Messenger where they will be automatically qualified by a chatbot. This will simplify your life so you no longer have to work with unqualified leads. Stick around to the end and I'll even show you how you can get this home buyer chatbot for free. So let's dive in. All right, so inside of Facebook ads, we're going to go to the campaigns, and basically to start from scratch, we're going to click this create button right here under campaigns. So clicking this create button, we're going to use the consideration of messages since we're driving people into Messenger. You can name your campaigns here. Name them whatever you want. I'm just going to do something quick. All right, and then click continue. It's going to open up some options inside of the campaign level. Since we are running housing ads, we're going to have to use a special ad category of housing right here. Whether you're in the US or in Canada, you do have to use the housing special ad category. Okay, and then we're not using campaign budget optimization. We're not doing A/B split testing right now. So next we're going to go into the ad set level. The ad type is going to be click to messages. We're going to use the Messenger app, not WhatsApp or Instagram Direct. And then we're going to select our Facebook page right here. So whatever Facebook page you're running your ads on, go ahead and click that page right there. You're going to change your daily budget to whatever your budget is. For most cases, most beginner, intermediate agents who are running Facebook ads, starting somewhere between $5 and $10 a day per ad. So this, you can obviously do multiple ads, but somewhere between $5 and $10 a day on your ad. Again, you can run multiple ads, and you can also spend more than that if you're comfortable with running Facebook ads and know what to expect. All right, so under start date, you're just going to keep it the same. No end date. We're not going to do any end date. We're going to run it continuously until we decide to turn it off, not when Facebook decides to turn it off. If it's a good ad and it's working properly, then you want to keep it running as long as possible. All right, so the location is going to be right here. We're just going to edit this location, and you can either drag and drop a pin on your location, or you can type in your city and do the 15-mile radius around there. Lakeland, Florida. I'll just drop it right here. Okay, so keep in mind with a special ad category, it is a 15-mile minimum radius. So if this area is too far for you, Plant City, if you don't want to work in there, but you do want to work more in Polk County, this county specifically, I would probably drag and drop a pin right in the middle of the county, right there, and I would close out Lakeland. So now it's covering most of the county. So just keep that in mind. There is a 15-mile minimum radius with this special ad category, and you kind of just got to work with that there. For targeting and everything else, I usually leave that open. I go into detailed targeting at a later point further down the road, but for the most cases, leaving that open and just targeting everybody and letting Facebook do its thing, and then generating as many leads as possible, qualifying them inside of Messenger is usually the best option where you're going to build your database the biggest right there. Placements, automatic, optimization, leave that all alone. So next we're going to go into the actual ad. So click on the ad tab. We're going to, Facebook page has already been selected. If you have an Instagram account, you can select the Instagram account there. We're going to create an ad. Just for simplicity's sakes, we're just going to set up a image. But if you have videos or have done videos, by all means use them in your ad. Basically, a quick way to make a quick video is to just make a video of what you are saying in the ad. So I'll copy over some text here in a second, and basically if you make a video that says exactly what the ad says, it's just a quick way that you can make a video. You can pull out your phone and do a video and upload it right there. Just stand in front of a house or in your office, whatever it is. A lot of easy ways to make video. But for simplicity's sake, we're going to just add a stock image for now. Count images, stock. I'm just going to type in home buyer. Give it a second to load, and I'm just going to select one of these images. I would split test these images. That's one of the biggest things that I'll recommend you do is split test, which means run multiple ads that are exactly the same except for one thing. So testing the image is an easy way to do that. All right, so primary text, I'm actually going to pull some text out of the Digital Real Estate Academy and one of the documents we have in there. I'm going to copy that over, primary text right there. And now we got the primary text. Says all-time low interest rates equals more home for less money. The net worth of a homeowner is 44 times greater than a renter. Let our expert team help you find your dream home, blah, blah, blah. So we got that text in there. I'm going to find a headline. Stop renting, start owning. And then the call to action, I did say click learn more to get started. So I'm going to make sure the call to action matches that. So learn more. And then the message template, we're going to start a conversation. We're going to click create. This is where we're going to connect into Messenger. And since I'm going to show you how to use ManyChat and in connecting a buyer chatbot flow inside of ManyChat. So to get this home buyer chatbot flow, I'm going to leave a link below this video. It's actually to our masterclass. I'm going to dive deeper into what I'm showing you here, but also if you watch that masterclass, you'll be able to get this chatbot for free. So this is, I'm just going to copy this text, buy a home. And this is the chatbot inside of ManyChat, where basically it's a chatbot building software. And if you want this already built out for you and you just have to copy paste and have a chatbot where it basically answers questions for you, or asks questions for you and captures that information, it's gonna, what size home are you looking for? What minimum bedrooms, minimum bathrooms? What city are you looking for? Are you working with a realtor? When are you looking to purchase a home? Price range, pre-approved. What's your email? What's your phone number? So it captures all that information inside of Messenger with this chatbot flow. Again, I'll leave a link below to the masterclass, kind of dive deeper into this if you're not familiar with ManyChat, and also if you want this chatbot for free. So I'm just going to show you how to connect it real quick. So please click my buy a home below to get started. So basically, we're using a keyword from ManyChat. We're obviously already connected the ManyChat to our specific Facebook page, and we went through that process at this point. So I'm just going to show you how to connect it to that specific flow. So buy a home below to get started. We're going to change from frequent. Well, actually, we are going to keep frequently asked questions. The question is going to be that keyword that I just copied. So I'm just going to paste buy a home. I'm going to delete the other two questions. Now, the template, the greeting template is going to say, hey, Jack, please click buy a home below to get started. Maybe I'll add an emoji in here, finger pointing down. So now when they click on that, they're going to open up the chat bot. So let me see if I can go ahead and open it now. I'll pull it over here. All right, so this is the message that popped up. All the other stuff has already been there, but if it's a new conversation, you'll see that it came up with, hey, Jack, please click buy a home to get started. Buy a home. And now it's going to go through the home buyer question flow and capture all this information. So that's what we just set up in this Facebook ad. Okay, minimum bedrooms, minimum bathrooms. It's going to ask all these questions from your leads, and then it's going to send that information to you as the realtor, as the agent, as the loan officer even, and now you're building your database and qualifying those leads on the front end. So we know that this connection works. We're going to click OK. We're going to hit save and finish. And right here, now you can see the ads up. All you have to do is hit publish and let Facebook go through the approval process and publish your ad for you. And that's as simple as it is. I think it was less than 10 minutes to set up a Facebook ad. Facebook ads are super simple to set up once you go through them a couple times. Maybe the first time a little bit harder. But if you just follow what I just showed you, you can set up a home buyer ad super simply. And again, to get that home buyer messenger chatbot for free, there's going to be a link in the description of this video. And for the masterclass, join that masterclass, check out the masterclass, get a little bit more understanding of how everything works, and then we'll provide the a download for that messenger chatbot into ManyChat. Also, if you guys have any questions about how this works, go ahead and drop it in the comments section below. And thanks so much for checking this video out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.